The dream world of Hollywood is facing a new reality: artificial intelligence. For years, actors have brought characters to life on the big screen. But what if those actors weren't human at all? Artificial intelligence is changing the game, and some say it could even completely replace human actors. Imagine your favorite action hero being entirely computer-generated, or a historical drama with a cast of digital clones perfectly recreating legendary performers of the past. It sounds like science fiction, but the technology is closer than you think. It's not just about special effects anymore. AI is learning to act, and it's doing it scarily well, from creating realistic facial expressions to mimicking the nuances of human speech. AI is poised to shake Hollywood to its core. So buckle up, because the future of film is about to get very interesting. Okay, so how does AI learn to act? It all starts with data, mountains and mountains of data. AI algorithms are fed countless hours of footage, learning everything from an actor's facial expressions to how their voices rise and fall with emotion. One of the key tools in AI's acting arsenal is something called deep learning. This is a way for AI to learn patterns and make predictions based on massive amounts of information. Think of it this way: if you show AI enough pictures of a smiling face, it will eventually learn to recognize a smile and even recreate one. But it's not just about looks. AI is also mastering the art of speech. Text-to-speech technology has come a long way. AI can now create incredibly realistic voices, complete with all the subtle intonations and emotional range of a human actor. That means AI characters can deliver lines with real feeling, not just robotic monotone. Now let's get real. AI actors might sound good on paper, but are they ready for their close-up? There are definitely pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, AI actors don't throw star-sized tantrums, demand million-dollar salaries, or show up to set drunk. They're also incredibly versatile. Need a character who speaks fluent Chinese? No problem. Want your leading lady to age 50 years on screen? AI can do it without an ounce of makeup. But there's a catch. AI still lacks that je ne sais quoi, that human spark that makes a performance truly captivating. While AI can mimic human emotions, it doesn't yet understand them. Improv. Part 4, the future of fame. Will AI steal the show? So does this mean robots are taking over Hollywood? Not so fast. While AI is sure to play a bigger role in filmmaking, it's unlikely to completely replace human actors. At least not anytime soon. Instead, we're more likely to see a future where AI and human actors collaborate. Imagine a world where AI helps directors create breathtaking special effects, generate realistic crowd scenes, or even provide actors with digital stunt doubles. The possibilities are practically endless, but what about human actors themselves? What will their careers look like in this brave new world of AI-powered filmmaking? Rather than seeing AI as a threat, actors can embrace it as a tool, a way to enhance their performances and explore new creative frontiers. Part 5, Hollywood ending, or just the beginning? The rise of AI in Hollywood is definitely a game changer. It's a little scary, a little exciting, and very much a wait-and-see situation. But one thing's for sure: AI is forcing the entertainment industry to adapt or be left behind. Will AI eventually replace human actors altogether? Maybe, maybe not. But for now, I think we can all agree that there's something special about the magic a talented human being brings to a performance when they pour their heart and soul into it. And that's something even the most advanced AI can't replicate, at least not yet. So grab your popcorn, because the future of film is going to be very, very interesting.